What's up, guys? We're back. Today we're working again on the 2009 Toyota Camry, and today we're going to be talking about something really simple. Should be a no-brainer, but not a lot of people pay attention to it, and that is your tire pressure. This came in, it was getting a lot harsher ride than a Camry should. Normally they're kind of soft. I figure it might have been maybe strut, suspension, some of the age. And I decided to check something. As you can see here in the driver's door, it's supposed to be at 32 psi. And the tires, they look like they're in good condition, but I wanted to check them out anyway. This is the fourth tire I've gone through, and all of them have got similar results. Let's see what this one is. All men in the 50s or even the 60s. And that's going to contribute to a very rough ride. I got my handy dandy tire gauge. 61 pounds of pressure. That is going to give you a very, very rough ride. So what I'm going to do here, use really anything, a screwdriver, knife, got a little extra inflator stem here. And I'm just going to press on this in the center part, and this is going to go and let the air out of it. And after every so often we're going to check and see how much pressure we have. We're trying to get this to 32. I do like the digital gauge of this style just because it'll give you an exact readout. It does light up. You don't have to go and gauge it. Well, does it look like this on the line? Does it pop out? Does it go high enough? These will do any kind of tire you want. Had this one for about 10-15 years now. Never even had to change the battery. They just keep working. It's like $5-10 online. Just go ahead and pick one up. Not sponsor or anything, but these are a lot better than the old style your dad or grandpa used to have with the little bar that sticks out. Anyways, we're gonna go and let the air out just like this. We're gonna keep letting that out until we're gonna go and think there's enough air out of it, and we'll check again. Alright, I'm about to go and check again. It's been about a solid 30 seconds. Let's see where we're at. 33 and a half. It's pretty close. 32 on the dot. Exactly what we want. That's going to give us a nice smooth ride, best fuel economy as possible, and is going to probably alleviate all the rough riding we've had with this, all because all the tires were over twice what they're supposed to be. About 61, one was 68, a couple were 58. Do not have your tires over deflated like that. There's no need for it. All you're going to do is possibly cause uneven wear, but you're definitely going to give yourself a rougher ride. Till next time, remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff if you found this helpful. I hope this helps out at least one person. If so, made my day a lot better. Hope it made yours. Have a good day. Until next time. Peace.